this campground for like 4 days or something, and I have done minimal. Go outside and travel. All right, so quick update on our situation. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm sick. Like, I've been like just out for a few days. We've been here at this campground for like 4 days or something, and I have done minimal. I just do not feel good. But it's Saturday. Today is Saturday. Tomorrow is Easter, and we decided we're gonna make some pancakes because we have some bananas going bad, and it's just like I'm hungry.
It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon and we haven't eaten anything.
So Easter pancakes. Well, Easter Eve pancakes. I don't know. What was I gonna say?
I have no idea.
Yeah. So let's make some pancakes.
So I feel better when I eat gluten-free. I have some gluten-free flour in the cabinet that I was going to try to make gluten-free sourdough with. My ears are ringing right now. That's fantastic. And my phone's ringing. And so we're going to try to make protein banana pancakes. We got some dead bananas, and I searched some recipes, and I'm just going to tweak it, and hopefully it turns out. We'll see what happens. So, all right. We've got, we're going to do, it calls for a cup of gluten-free flour, but I want to make it a little bit more protein. So some of the recipes that I read said that if you want more protein, you can substitute some of the flour for the protein. You can use protein instead of some of the flour. So as long as you have some flour to bind it, you should be good. I don't know how much that is, like 3/4 of a cup. Calls for a cup, and I think some extra protein maybe. No, this one doesn't have protein in there. Okay, so we're just gonna add some Terra's organic whey protein, lactose free. Try to do organic, try to do lactose free, because I don't know everything that affects my digestive system, but it's a struggle. So make it about a cup. This is not going to be exact, so there will probably not be macros in the description, FYI. Also, we've got 2 small bananas instead of the 1 banana the recipe calls for, so I'm probably just going to do a little bit more of everything. Tablespoon of baking powder. Throw the bananas in there. Look at that, they still look decent. Just put that anywhere. And for our more protein, this is a vegan recipe. We're not vegan. So we're adding whey protein and we're adding Greek yogurt for more protein. 5.3 ounces of yogurt. So is that zeroed out?
Zero.
I got Nancy's probiotic Greek yogurt, non-fat, plain, 22 grams of protein per serving. All right. Do I have it on ounces? What did I say? 5.3 ounces. Alright, and we got more bananas, so a little bit more of everything else too.
6.4. Close enough.
Half a cup of unsweetened coconut milk. We got almond milk. Make it work. This is a NutriBullet. It's not as good as I had hoped, but it does the job. I like Ninja products, and this one's not that great. It's not a Ninja. So this is an egg-free pancake recipe because we don't have any eggs. That's why I looked for vegan protein banana pancakes. Ceylon cinnamon. Supposedly really good for you. It was one of the things I kept. I had a huge bag of it when we got rid of everything in the house. I don't know if that's too much. Do it one more time. And then we'll let the bubbles settle and we'll go cook them up on the Blackstone. Hopefully they work. We don't have syrup either, so we'll probably eat them with butter and honey or something.
Yeah, I have honey and we have some butter. And we also have almond butter.
Do you want to put that in it?
Maybe after. I might put it on after.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
We're going to use oil and butter. Try to get that Crackle Barrel crispiness.
Yeah.
But I'm also going to spray my spatula so it doesn't stick to it.
Smart.
Okay, oil. My handy dandy hook. Some butter. Real butter, not that margarine garbage.
Nellie's grass-fed butter, from grass-fed cows.
Cat butter?
No. No, not cat butter. It's not as rich as Kerrygold, but it's good.
This is not too hot.
That's pretty hot.
Yeah. We're gonna pull down once we get one or two of these on there.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Whoa, that's perfect. Any longer it would have burned. Alright, so we're gonna have them with almond butter and honey. We'll just spread some of that on there and then drizzle with some honey. Okay, I had to do some with butter, and we don't have syrup, so butter and honey. Yum. Also, last couple batches, he figured it out. Those look like Cracker Barrel pancakes. Alright, moment of truth. Looks delicious.
Mmm. Job well done.
Mmm. Not bad.
Yeah.
Not bad at all.
The winner of my book.
Alright, we're gonna make the rest of these pancakes. And we're gonna go eat them. I hope y'all are having an amazing Easter, or had an amazing Easter. I don't know. What else am I gonna say?
Go outside and travel.
Bye.